Hello, I'm Richard Hunter, Head of Markets, and welcome to our look ahead for the week commencing the 7th of February. There's certainly no let-up in volatility. Markets, generally speaking, have made some progress over the week, although the headlines have been grabbed by those more volatile days. We're still seeing this situation, of course, in the background in the States, where interest rates are going to rise, it would seem, probably from March. And traditionally, that would take some of the wind out of the sails of high growth stocks in any case. What we've had on top of that is another few difficult days for the tech index in the States, the NASDAQ, following the extremely disappointing updates from the company Meta Platforms, that's the Facebook owner, and also from PayPal. There's some pushback in the other direction, rather more positively. Earlier in the week, we had broker upgrades to the likes of Netflix and Tesla, and also there were some very good numbers coming through from Amazon, which could provide some solace, as well as the likes of Snap and Pinterest. Nonetheless, it remains sentiment remains very fragile. In the year to date, we're now looking at a situation where the Dow Jones is down 3.4%, S&P 500 is down 6%, the Nasdaq is down 11.3%, and still flying the flag is the UK's FTSE 100, which is managing to hold on to positive territory. It's up 2.4% in the year to date. In terms of next week, fairly busy corporate earnings reporting calendar. We've got full year numbers along from BP. It's got a lot to live up to. We had some bumper numbers from the likes of Exxon and Chevron in the States, let alone Shell this week. So again, look out for the ongoing return of capital to shareholders, both in terms of buybacks and dividends. Expect some improved profit numbers on the basis of the strength we've seen in the oil price so far this year. And also, of course, look out for any decisions the company has made in terms of reduction of costs. Shares BP up about 58% in the last year. Less positively, down 6% over the last year. We're also expecting numbers from Unilever, often seen as something of a staple part of a core portfolio. And it's certainly been in the news recently with comments from a couple of fund managers. So it'll be interesting to see just how its defensive nature has played out over the recent weeks. Obviously, something that might have seen that's positive is something of a rotation out of growth into value stocks. Also, half-year numbers from Barratt Developments, perhaps surprisingly, given all the tailwinds in the sector, shares are actually down 10% over the last year. So again, we'll be looking for things like forward bookings, the strength of the order book, any return to shareholders, and obviously, equally importantly, whatever guidance the company might give in terms of the current trading environment. Also, updates from the likes of AstraZeneca and Glaxo, the pharmaceutical companies, PR advertising company WPP, Royal Mail Group are due an update, as are Ocado. Thank you for watching. Have a great week.